But when I trade stocks, the odds are also my side. Okay? And if you do a back test, it's always on my side. Now, example. The big money is made here. If you have a trend that goes up, alright, there's a 75% chance that it keeps going up. There's only 10% chance when it turn, 50% chance it turn higher. Okay? Okay, stock market is quite simple actually. Alright? It's not very complicated. It's not very frightening. It's like a big ship. Okay? You know a big ship, I work in the Navy, I know. You know, when they call it a VLCC, you know, you have a big tanker, big ship coming your way. You know, it takes a lot for a ship to turn. No, ship just don't zap, big ship don't go like that, you know. Only small ship goes like that. So stocks market is like that. When the trend is formed, it is up. But the problem with a lot of people is today is that you want to buy a lot. You know, you overtrade, you know. The trend is there, it's very simple, it's up. Don't sell it. If the trend is still up, why do you have to sell?